Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ fún àdáadáa fídíò tó ń ṣó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wa. A sì máa play fún yín. Ẹ wò ó nípa Aishat Lawal àti MC Oluomo ó ní Yèyèkúdí jáde tán tó tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí nípa wọn. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa náfààní láti jẹ̀gbádùn lórí ìkànnì wa. Tó bá pè ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ kọ́ni ẹ bá subscribe, kẹ́ like, kẹ́ comment, kẹ́ share. Ẹ lè máa jẹ́ àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì nígbàkúgbà lórí pé ìtàbá fi lè tẹ̀lé máa fi ṣọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Gẹ́mi sọ pé fídíò wọn àlẹ́ tá máa play fún yàtọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ evidence tá kó wá nípa wọn. Ẹ wo fídíò náà rèé, ẹ ká sojú abẹ́ ń kó.
Abeg, continue with the K1 story. Make you forget that fake profile. No, it's not K1 story. It's MC Oluomo. It's not K1 story. It's MC Oluomo story. We want to gist about. So it's not K1 story this time around. The title is MC Oluomo. So did I put K1? Hey, it's error. It's MC Oluomo. Error. So I'll start now. My daddy told my mommy to resign. The size of my mommy's yansh, you know this yansh that they do now, that was how my mommy's yansh was. She's very slim, but she had big butt. The man no fit stand all those judges, all those people made they look my mama yansh. He now said, no, my mommy can't be working this and that she should do self-employed. That's how my mother went into mother care. So no matter how a man loves you, when he does the spendings for you for a month or two, you will lose that your value. My mother is even the one that told me that a woman that is sensible will never do housewife. You have to choose it. It's either you do housewife and they rubbish you in the end. No matter how the man loves you, when you start to bear children, you see finish to enter. If you do full-time housewife, bring this one, money, bring money. Well, many times your hair will be like this. Many times you won't be able to buy wig, anything. You won't be able to meet up with your peers. You won't be able to take back. You won't even be able to give to your family. Every small thing you're gonna be taking permission from the husband for this, for that, for this, for that. Well, you won't like yourself. And the man go. At first he may be enjoying it. He's all dependent. It's even that for that reason, he will cheat on you. He will cheat on you. Your title is MC Aishat Lawal. Yes, let's do that. Now let's listen to somebody that came to talk about. You know that Aisha, me, I always say this story is alleged. It's alleged. Ask me it's true or not. You know Aisha's page, I think yesterday was her birthday. Go to her page and ask her if it's true or not. Don't come and ask me were you there? Is somebody that wants to narrate it and just one point I want to hold from there. Because this MC man, in fact, the thing that I want to say, let me not say it yet. I thought the guy had learned, he has simmered down, he has learned his lesson, you understand? But anyway, maybe men are meant to be like that. Abi? Maybe men are meant to be like that because the way they see the money, they don't work for the money. And they will just get all the money, they are just spending it anyhow. But I'm not concerned about MC. I won't lie to you people, because generally we know it has been declared generally that MC is Nollywood actresses, their souvenir. If MC never knock you for that Nollywood, that means that you are the only, you must come out and swear with Ogun. He has knocked almost all of them. I'm not talking about old people. Like Madam Shaje, they know those ones are just begging for money from him. Talking about the young, the ones in their 40s, in their maybe 50s, even the ones that are older than him. Because MC and myself, I think we are age mates. I think he too is 50. I think so. I think I'm older than him because I'm 51. I'm not too sure now. But he is generally, it's been ongoing. So the only concern the concern I have is that, are you people using condom? Because I don't know Are you people using condom? I hope so. Yeah, where did you get all the gold? Oh. Let me continue. This northerner is annoying me. I don't want to be distracted again. Let me calm myself. Calm down, Kudi, calm down. Calm down, Kudi, calm down. Don't let this person annoy you more than this. Let me play what I want to play. Don't mind this person here. Okay. Let me see. I don't know if you people have heard this. This Aisha, I lie. I used to look at her like Funke Akindele. I know she's new in the, I didn't think that she would involve herself with all these shenanigans. I was just surprised. So let me just play it for you, so that you can hear it yourself. Allegedly, call me. I'm a bonanza.
The same branch 36 million something million. The same branch the same one 2 million naira. Got us 200,000. Láàrin ọkọ̀ tá a bá fẹ́ ṣe ní operation, gbogbo àwọn olówó ilé ti mọ̀ wá. Gbogbo àwọn olówó ilé sì lọ́ti lùkọ́ days. Náà lọ́jà làwọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ olówó ilé kúlẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ tó. Orí ló ṣe o. Orúkọ state house recently ó bá mi níjọ púpọ̀, mo dorí kò lómi jábọ́ lójú mi. Haúsá ni máa ẹ̀ nínú àwọn ọlọ́kadà. Ní ọjọ́ tí màá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ níwájú state chairman ló fi ń jábọ́.
All this one is talking about Sego himself and all the atrocities that MC has committed, which I think we've gone through it and we've advised, we've listened to a lot of things, because you all know the politics that played out during that is still playing out in his life regarding all this. Is the president of NUR, the TW, Abuja constituency and all those. We are not interested in that. Our gossiping aspect is about Aishat Lawal. So I don't know the point he mentioned it, so that's why I'm having to all the other parts and Sego matter, leave them to it. I'm not going to lie to you people. We can't help them solve it. The person that can solve it for them is Bola Tinubu, because in the first place, he is the one that brought all these people on board, and it's for political reasons. He is the one that put them in this position where they have not turned themselves. In fact, they are doing fracas. If it's not Sego and MC today, it will be Koko Saria and MC. If it's not Koko, so we are actually very tired of them. So we are not going to. With the part we are interested in is that Aishat Lawal part, and I will tell you the reason. Allegedly, because lately, if I'm wrong, please tell me I'm wrong. Didn't you notice that he didn't go for Iyabo Ojo's daughter's wedding? Like before, you would have seen during Iyabo Ojo's mother's burial, he was there. He was even showing, he was doing with his agbada, and subsequently we've seen him after it. He went for the short guys on the guy with the short Abeokuta guys, the Kunle Ogungbe, abi something Ogungbe sha. He went with his clique and crew, and they went to do show off and everything. So we didn't see him at Iyabo Ojo's birthday, meaning he's not ready to reconcile with Iyabo Ojo, because I know that Iyabo Ojo celebrated his birthday last year, but I think this year she didn't celebrate it because MC Oluomo snubbed her. So we would have thought, Shade, what did you say? What did you say, Shade? What did you say? Answer me. What was it that you asked me? I can't see your question. You said, could you attend to my chatter, please? What does that mean? Attend to my chatter, please. What does that English mean? I don't understand what you mean by attend to my chatter. I don't understand that English. What does my chatter mean? All right, Basi. Good night, baby. Good night, my sweetheart. Okay, now because of Polo. Now because of Polo, what happened? It wasn't because of Polo. It was political reason. That's what happened between them. It's not about Polo. Shegun Gugbe, yeah. So sorry, ma. It's an error. Okay, when you correct it, let me know. I don't know what you are saying, Shade. Yeah, but yeah, you say attend to my chat. I don't understand the chat. Can you explain it?
National Secretary Labuja, Adoyaru, Abadeyaru Kolukon, one question can one keep below. Abagona Labuja, Adoyaru Bano, Bamato Tabua. American to Willow Magubo, Uncle Sophie Bamato Lanoni. Monilla Flora Siena, me, Willow Adoyaru. I'm trying to fence up. People look alive.
You are right. You are right. Nice. It wasn't a prissy wedding. At least it made it the wedding talk free. In fact, you are right. And Eli Bokum, I concur. To be sincere, I agree with you. It maintained the class, and it's true. To be sincere, it's true. I won't antagonize that comment at all. You are right.
Social media, man. Yeah, look at me. On the best, I'll post here. Buy the gift. Huh? What's that going on? Uncle Guy, I'm on Instagram. Uncle Aishat. Aishat, you know, I'm again. We're not shaking it like where anybody don't she shop. I show anybody. Yeah, not be. That's a to solve. Aishat Lawal. Aishat Lawal. So I say, you must go with me by my papa. Even my best, I don't go my uncle. Mariana, no say that no post defense am. Ah. Tamani ma ko fẹ́ sabi ẹni pé ẹni lọ ra e pa ti kúkúrú wa. Phone tí mo dá mi. Ọ̀gá mi, ó gbà mo dá 10 lọ phone. Olùṣe sin kaja. Mo gba phone náà mo bá lè sakulu. Ara ko báyìí ṣe sin ma ni ko wa. Phone mi like phone gba e o ma tún ara àti tí mo ra fún mi náà bínú kẹ wá so ó ṣe pẹ̀lú mi náà ni ni ma ra phone ẹ náà te ba lọ mo gba phone ẹ lọ́dún ẹ lọ tí rí nǹkan
Yeah, please, I want you to review the movie Roses and Evie on Prime. I was telling my friend Yeye needs to analyze. I want to travel to, I want you to assist me to move down there. How is that possible, Shade Abdullah? Do you know that even in my family, some people want to come to America there? So, you come and lórí online, then I will assist you. Then what about my own family to was America? So you people think that those of us that talk online, we don't have family. That don't know was America. Anyway, now Fukeke, my darling, I don't know the movie. I think I've heard about it. Who wrote it and everything? You know, it's not just a movie. I'm not a lover of movies. But when I see that I want to call It makes sense. Do you understand? I would want to analyze it, watch it, then review it and analyze it. So if you tell me the director, the producer, and then I would look into it and see if it is something worth watching, I will watch it. I promise you, and I will analyze it. If it makes sense from what I'm saying. Spring, you said, you see, really, this are the person I'm telling you. Because told you I'm reading on social media. Now, you people have heard the gossip aspect allegedly by this guy that is one of MC Oluomo's boys. It was just like Koko Saria behind MC Oluomo. I think they are falling out. We don't expect him to say otherwise. Of course, guy he will say as much as he has said. Maybe he's lying, maybe he's not lying. But me, I did not see Vensa because I am not really a fan of that girl called Aisha. But I always look at her because from you are here to analyze Labake Olododo movie. In fact, what happened that I did not analyze Labake Olododo movie is because by the time I came back, we already had wedding to start. I started to, we were going bumper to bumper. The wedding was, when the week I came back from Nigeria was when they were doing that wedding. That's what distracted me. That is what distracted me. I will. Just tell me about that Labake Olododo. I will analyze it. And that's Rose and Ivy. I think I have seen that. I've heard about that movie. Who is the producer? I think I've heard about it. I will try and watch it on Prime. Abi, I'll try and watch it. Who is the producer? So what do I want to say? Hey, it's none of our business. So it's none of our business. It's just that we want to gossip. MC, if it is true, we all pay Vensa for gay. Moboya oko gbe fun out of babalanu or ofe. But because of the bad reputation that MC has amongst all these people, do you understand? Gbogbo isi Koko Sari ati cast gbogbo isi àwọn within the this thing no tí wọ́n ti cast ara wọn. You understand? That's why we have to say it the way it is. I'm just so disappointed in that girl called Aishat. Wallahi. Olè ní gbogbo yín, púpọ̀ nínú yín olè ní yín. Do you understand? Olè ní púpọ̀ nínú yín. Kí máa, that's why a lot of you, I don't know, except if that Vensa, the people that saw the Vensa and say it's true, that Vensa is true. I didn't see it. If you saw it, write it that you saw it. Emi ori o, tori mi ori o. Olè ní púpọ̀ nínú yín, they lead the good example. So with all what MC have done, with all the àwọn tó bá ní òṣèré yín yẹn, you still went there again to go and collect your own. To an extent now, they have come to say it. All that your teeth that is like this now, me they like it, tell it, me they were like it. Torí ẹnu ẹ mú nínú movie kan báyìí, ó bú, ó ṣẹnu sham tí mo like it, tí mo ní Aisha yìí, ó ní future gan. Don't you people know that all these people, àwọn kan ṣe, wo, ayé wọn, wọ́n gba Vensa, wọ́n gba gbogbo ẹ̀, wọ́n fi kàbùkù láàsì ni. Can't you people? I'm not saying everybody must be like Funke Akindele, Toyin Aimaku. I am not saying that everybody must be like that. But you people should allow the family of that MC gan kí wọ́n ti gbádùn MC fúnra rẹ̀ torí MC yìí ó ti on disgrace ẹ̀. Ó kàn disgrace àwọn family ẹ̀. I'm telling you. Okay, Biodun Stevens. Okay. Roses and Ivy. I think I've watched it. Oh, this girl featured in it. The main cast. I think I watched it in London. Oh. I think I've watched this Roses and Ivy. Oh. This girl that fell in love with this girl that was sick. She eventually had cancer, and her boyfriend was her husband was sleeping with her friend. Abi, is it not something? Wasn't it something like that, Fukeke? I'm trying to remember the people that acted it. I know that there were 2 friends and 1 man that had a shop, art shop or something like that. No, it's about 2 sisters. Who are the cast? Can you just tell me their names? Have watched it now. They were both sleeping with the same man. Uche Motana and Munachi. I don't think I've watched it. No. Because Peter was crucified upstairs. Wrong, come on for here, Joe. Okay, no, I think I'm mixing it up. I think I'm seeing something else about one movie that I watched that. Okay, I think I'll watch it. So Uchema is Roses and Ivy. Okay, I'll watch it. If it's Uche is a good actress. But I don't think he reigned like that. So, which year did they do the movie? It's about fertility issue. Okay, I will go and watch it. Fukeke, I'll go and watch it. Okay, I will watch it. I'll watch it. I'll watch. How many hours? I'll watch it. I'm just having the feeling I watched something like that in London at one point. Which is it a recent movie? Please, can you answer me? Is it a recent movie? Oloshi. Which one is spirit all around you? The spirit all around you that is chasing you is in Cotton by Fanny. Better go out of here and go and receive delivery. Have you watched VDM? How about VDM? Bao? What happened to VDM? 2024? And you sure have not watched it in passing by. Okay, I will go and watch it. I'll go and watch it. But Labake Olododo, I will tell you people my own reservation about Labake Olododo. What I enjoy, what I didn't enjoy, and everything that I saw in that movie. I will tell you people. Maybe my next chat. But I will be very sincere with you people. I don't know if what I'm going to say will go down well with many of you, but that's it. I'm very good at analysis. If I tell you that your movie is going to make it, it will make it. If I tell you that your movie is not, there is a movie called VDM. Oh, okay. I didn't know. I thought you were talking about Blackie. The movie VDM makes sense. I haven't watched it. I haven't watched it. Okay, and people should not bombard me. I don't love watching movie like that. I watch movie that, that is trending and I can analyze. You understand? I just don't watch movie because I want to watch it. I watch it because people are talking about it. It's trending. Then I can analyze it. I can tell you people, yeah, this movie they spent into it. This one is not worth it. This one is rubbish. This one is low. This one is yeah, that's why I watch movie. I don't watch movie. I will watch it and remember word for. I hope Labake Olododo will be able to remember word for word, because I went to the cinema in Nigeria to watch that one, and it's in a while. April. Normally when I watch it like that, within a week I should analyze it. Yeah, please go ahead with the main topic for today. Okay, thank you. All right, Buki, let me go back. I'm sorry. So, Aishat Lawal, I'm very highly disappointed in her. Because the kind of face, the kind of look, the kind of way she came up in that social media, I mean on the screen for us, is as though she's going to come decent, come clean like Biola Adebayo. Biola too, you know that it's not that she's completely innocent. Let me tell you people one thing. It's not like people don't do bad things, so don't get it wrong. But, there are some people in that industry that you don't expect them to still go and be sleeping with MC Oluomo, Dino Malaya, Melaye, all these people, K1, all these people that have shopped them round to an extent that some of them have even betted for them. Do you understand? Yeah. And in the case of Aisha, I learned she studied law. I'm sorry, don't think, oh, I'm not taking the matter to law because I studied law. So I'm trying to, when you talk about people that study and go to school to that extent, you expect more from them. So for her to go and because of Vensa, then that guy now sat on his alefa and was mentioned, that's one Aisha Sheyi Gogorobai. And she's not out to debunk it, meaning it is true. I'm ashamed of her. Yeah, I'm so ashamed of her. The way, you know, that's why many of those people in that Nollywood industry, I'm always saying to you people, be careful of them. Don't bring them near your home. Don't bring them near your family, near your marriage, near your happiness, near anything. You can imagine the people MC have chopped in the industry for a girl that I look at and say, I'm not saying Funke because lately I saw them blogging her that she's the one that scattered Bello sons her home. I'm not putting my mouth yet. I have my reason. I have my reason why I am not saying a word yet. Because I sense that it's a lie. That's why I'm not putting my mouth. Do you understand? I sense that they are trying to just, because of the fact that they know that she and Femi had a relationship before. The wife of Femi, that one is just acting on stupid information. She's having some sense of insecurity. Femi is a bad boy, no doubt. Femi is a bad boy. But I don't think it is Funke. That's why I'm not putting my mouth. I'm watching. One day, Femi shall go show now. Waiting make am come up for us. It is Femi himself that has problem. Òun ló ní problem ara tiẹ̀ tó ń bá fà. So, and the woman too, I will say and I repeat, no matter how your husband hurts you, never destroy property. Never destroy property. I dislike women that do that. You are prone and most likely not going to stay in one marriage. Omamashini. Never destroy. It's either you leave or you cry and be begging and be fight. Not fight as in fight, yo. I mean, never destroy property. Break car, accident car, go and jam car, break television. The family that are supposedly meant to be taking side with you, they will turn their back on you. So back to Aishat Lawal. Those one is story for another day. I'm highly disappointed in that girl that she can go and collect Spencer. Yeyekudi Edaju, Shada Abdullahi, how Moshe Daju, have I done something wrong to you? How about Moshe Daju? Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wo àbí lórí kíni o? Can you explain to the world why you said no Daju? So as I was saying before, Shade rudely interrupted me. I will say it that I'm highly disappointed in her that they can count her among the people. When this guy came to talk and now said, oh, and it's true, you know her teeth is like that. If she did collect Vensa, yeah, will somebody like this come and be saying, Eleyin bi kini yen lo ko se shamuga sita bai, o wa fi moto ohun. Do you understand? O wa fi moto ohun, that he is the one that MC Oluomo has really disappointed, and this is why he lost gallantly amongst his people. When charity begins at home, when you keep taking money for these people, all water you are giving it to all these ladies. At the end of the day, all of them, they gbimopo, they conspire together. Gbogbo. That's why all of them are follow Sego. They are now supporting Sego with their future. So they are ready to die for Sego. They are watching how Sego is handling, and Sego is using all his own mistake, all the mistake he made with his people that were loyal to him. He's using that to operate now. Gbogbo àlébù tòun. And we would have thought he has learnt his lesson. He now went to go and give what's her name? Aisha Vensa. I know he takes care of his wife, so because at least I know some of them. The known three, I know one very well. I know he takes care of his wife, which is important. But I just shall hope those of you in this industry, because many of you pass HIV around, I hope you people are using condom. I hope you people are using condom, because the amount of you that MCT do, we shall hope they no condom. Because now some of you now they are saying that there's outbreak of HIV in Benue. Ibi tó wó bá ti wà, ẹ̀yin máa ń gbàgbé life yín. MC Oluomo, I hope you are pitying your wives. Do you know how many people these actresses they sleep with? That's my only scare. My life. That's my only scare. Tí èèyàn bá tá bá gbéyàn sórí bed, ta ní àwọn ọmọ dáadáa ni. Eléyìí ò wà lára wọn. Eléyìí decent. This one is worthy of emulation. This one is the decent one. Tó bá dẹ̀ show pé òun ò decent. Ibi àwọn kẹ̀mọ́ dẹ̀ káàdì ẹ̀ mọ́ basket tó wà nílẹ̀ ni. Àwa ti mọ̀ pé MC tiẹ̀ náà souvenir ni. A ti gbà pé anytime tí wọ́n bá gbé case MC wá, HIV don't get cure. Now, Lakeside, you can leave yourself to have it. I'm talking to people that I don't wish that they have it. Husband and wife, you can have it. It doesn't matter to us. I'm talking to the people that are important, that we want them to be okay, health-wise, okay? So you can have it so that you can go and cure it. As I was saying before, Lakeside interrupted me. Okay? So we have to think about all these things. We have to think about it. You see, it's prevalent in Lagos too. I'm not saying it's not prevalent in Lagos, Iboku. I'm only saying they sent. We saw a breaking news of the outbreak in young kids in Benue State. I'm not saying it's not prevalent in Lagos State. It's always been there. Do you know? It's always been there. But I'm only reiterating and laying emphasis so that people that are doing this thing, all these people, they came out. Oluyemisi Akinola said there's no cure for HIV. No, Lakeside has said he has the cure. You understand? Let him or her have it. Let's talk to ourselves that these are our actresses. You know, they don't only sleep with MC. After they sleep with him, they sleep with other people. Are they preventing themselves? Because in your child, they give Vensa for you free of charge. We shall need exchange of one thing for another thing. I'm just disappointed in her. I won't lie. That guy can insult her like that, give it to her. And since he said it, he has not come out to say, God forbid, that Vensa that I showed is not from MC. So it is true. It is true. I'm just, I'm disappointed in all these our actresses. I know them now. Only lọ́wọ́ mo máa ń sọ fún yín ẹ ṣáà wà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìdílé yín tó bá ẹ má mú wọn wá ní àyín ẹ jẹ́ kó dúró síbi tí ó wà kẹ́ máa pọ́n wọn lé níbi tí ó wà. They are our celebrity. But I'm just worried for even the wives of this MC, that is he concerned about his wife? And are the girls also, they will marry one day, are they concerned about their health? Ọ̀rọ̀ ti wá ojú yẹn lọ. Àwa máa sọ, ẹ̀yin á máa gbọ́. Ẹ máa bú wa, constrain sí wa. In the end, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó la kú In the end, then later you now come and tell, Yeye Kudia, you said this, yo. Come and talk about it again. Don't call me to come and talk about when we say it. Do you people listen? Emma Mbuwani. When we address it, you don't listen. You will say, you will look at somebody like me and still be abusing me. Èmi tó jẹ́ pé at this my age, ó ní ibi tẹ́mi náà ṣáà ti bá tẹ̀mí dé. Orí tó kó àwọn kan yọ. When we were young, that we were doing Shogodi, in the beginning of war against indiscipline, no, not war against indiscipline, HIV, if you people all remember. If you remember, it started in the 90s, late 90s, towards 2000 and something. Because during the time I had my first child, 1998, listen good. At that point, they were not doing HIV test compulsory. It was optional. You can choose not to do it. But by the time I had my second born in 2002, thank God, it was no more optional. It was compulsory. Why am I saying this? By the time we were leaving Shango Day, was when introduction to HIV came out. As in, people have said having HIV. People have started getting infection from HIV. And they have been shouting, use condom, use condom, use condom. You people don't listen. Because if you people use condom, a lot of you won't be getting pregnant. And many of these people that are illiterate, they don't use condom. I don't know, but I heard. If not, the one that heard MC Oluomo and said that she's the Miriam, Abi, what's her name, that is in, that have traveled, that dragged him before I traveled to America, won't get pregnant and give birth last year. Abi, how many years ago? I'm sorry, to Aisha also. Many of you won't still be going there. Many of these men don't use condom, and a lot of you have HIV. A lot of you have HIV. Some of you that are doing that, you are slim. It's not slim that is doing you. It's HIV. It's HIV. Some of these men, they have dictated that they have HIV and they are spreading it. Then they will be giving you people motto. And some of these people, you go and be sleeping with them. Innocent wives that are in the house. You will now see them, they will become skinny. It's HIV. What are we going to do? Because this problem starts from many of you actresses and actors. And the problem in Nigeria when it comes to promiscuity. Because of all these small events, all these small things. Many of you have HIV. Any disease. I'm just disappointed in Aishat Lawal. I'm highly disappointed. There's dignity in labor. Go and learn from Funke Akindele. She's a good example. Go and learn from Toyin Aimaku. Especially Funke. Funke is one person I will always talk about. If I carry her, I go to the... I know that you will need man. But why use all these ones that are souvenir? Why use all these men that are souvenir? Can't you people go and do Dangote? Dangote ò níyàwó náà. Kò dẹ̀ lè ṣe kó má báyọ̀ sùn kó má lo condom. I learned he will use condom. That's why he dates Americans. Kò tiẹ̀ lè fẹ́ yín because onídọ̀tí ni púpọ̀ nù yín. Onídọ̀tí ni púpọ̀ nù yín. I rest my mic. I'm coming back tomorrow by the grace of God. We are going to talk about the ritualists. We will analyze Labake Olododo. The ritualists and Labake Olododo. I will take you people back to some years. All these people, they have been in existence since. Many of you, they have taken many women's glory. It is not now. It has been since. You keep wondering why your husband is not making it, because they have taken your glory as a woman. You keep wondering why some people, true, it's nothing. Husband didn't stay because the husband is not good. Why some of you, husband didn't stay because you have given all the thing that husband is meant to use to stay with you. They have taken it. What if you share ritual? If they do not catch all these people Telomba, nílẹ̀ Igbo, nílẹ̀ Hausa, nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, there are some heads tí wọ́n kàn knock tó lọ ń bá táṣìírí wọn fi ń tún owó ti bà ayé a lot of people jẹ́. They've destroyed a lot of lives.